Hi, now just feast your eyes on this beauty. Mercedes Benz C43 AMG convertible. 3-litre V6 engine, absolutely gorgeous. 4-wheel drive, Obsidian black metallic with the porcelain leather with contrast red stitch. Just come and have a look at this inside. Absolutely unbelievable. Now if that's not the contrast that you want, black porcelain leather, red contrast stitch, absolutely gorgeous. 3-litre V6 turbo engine, 4-wheel drive, 9-speed automatic gearbox, sports exhaust system, fully loaded. This car inside's got the air scarf, so you've got nice warm air blowing down your neck. You've got heated seats. We've got the ambient lighting system. It's only done 22,000 miles, but a wonderful, wonderful car. It's got the factory options that it's running on the 19-inch black alloys. It's got the satin aluminium detail as well. What a beautiful car. When you come round the rear, we've got the quad exhaust system. We've got the AMG badges there. AMG, different rear diffuser down the bottom. And we get this lovely little lip spoiler, which I do like. Electric wind deflector, which just sits behind the rear headrest there. But all around the car's beautiful. I've got 2 keys in my pocket. Now obviously it's a bi-turbo 4MATIC, so we've got 2 turbos, twin turbo. We've got the LED high performance lights, so if you're driving down a lane at night, they will automatically come on as your high beam. As you turn the steering around the corner, the lights just follow the angle. But everywhere you look on an AMG car, I don't think there's a better saloon car on the market today. Power electric roof as well. So realistically, there's nothing that you need to do. We've got the paddle shift. This is the later model, so we get a wider centre screen with your satellite navigation on. It's got your reversing camera there, your digital climate control. We do have a sports exhaust system, so let me just show you that there. So just a quick button, and that then changes the note of the exhaust system, and we get that little bit more of a... We get a little bit more of a rasp there. Very, very nice indeed. But all over the car is in just sumptuous, lovely order. Tailgate and part exchange off a very nice gentleman. But what more can I say? What a beautiful, beautiful contrasting colour. I think if I ordered that myself when it was new, the red seat belts, the red contrast stitch, it's just a wow. And let me tell you, wherever you turn up in that car, everybody will be impressed. What a beautiful thing. And the summer's on its way. Get it today or get it this week and you'll be able to enjoy it all year. So if you need any more information on the car, if you've got a part exchange, if you need finance, we've got Dominic on the camera, I'm Graham, and Lee's in the showroom. We'll be happy to help you in any way. We've been doing this now for over 40 years. So if you want a trusted family business, check out our reviews, check out all the customers on Facebook who are coming from all over the UK. Reserve the car with us, we'll get it ready for you, so you only need to make one journey to Wigan, at which then we'll have a coffee, have a drive, satisfy yourself, it's what you want to buy, and then if it is, simple banking transfer from your phone to our bank, we register it, you drive home in the same day. Couldn't be any simpler, couldn't be more fun. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.